Ethlance is an app on Ethereum, or what is commonly referred to as a dApp, a decentralized application. In order to use a dApp, you first have to connect to the Ethereum network. In this video, we're going to cover how to connect using MetaMask. MetaMask is an extension for Google Chrome that turns Google Chrome into an Ethereum-connected browser. So the first thing you'll notice is that if we go to Become Freelancer or Become Employer, we're going to get this message. It says, you have no accounts connected. And the reason is because we are currently not connected to the Ethereum network. So in order to connect to the network, we are going to install MetaMask. So let's go up and open a new tab, and we're going to go to metamask.io. And then we're going to click on Get Chrome Plugin. If you don't have Chrome installed, you can get it at google.com/Chrome. And now I'm going to say Add to Chrome. And I'm going to say Add Extension. Okay, so now MetaMask has been installed, and I'm going to close these tabs. And you'll see it's up here in the top right. So now we're going to set up MetaMask. Let's click it on the top right. And then we have to agree to the terms by scrolling all the way down and then pressing continue. Now MetaMask is going to ask us for a password. Now this password that we create, it's very important that you use a secure password because MetaMask is going to store Ether, and that Ether is worth money. So make sure you type in a very secure password. And then go ahead and press create. Now it's going to ask us to write down this 12-phrase passphrase. Now why are we doing this? Well, if you want to restore this wallet on another computer, let's say your computer at work, then you can type in this 12-phrase passphrase and you can restore your account. Another thing you can do is to use this to reset your password. So it's really important that you keep this phrase somewhere safe. Once you've written it down, you can go ahead and say I've copied it somewhere safe. Okay, so now we have MetaMask set up. Let's do one more step, and we're going to switch from the test network to the main Ethereum network. And now we're all set up. So if I press refresh here, you'll see that now it works. But in order to submit this form, we're going to need some Ether. So now let's learn how to load up our MetaMask account with Ether. So now we're going to load our account with Ether. So let's go up to MetaMask. And here you see we have our account. And we could either copy the entire account number, or we can use a QR code and scan it with our smartphone. If you don't already have Ether, you can actually buy it right here. You could also convert to Ether from a different cryptocurrency using Shapeshift. But again, I'm going to assume that you already have Ether in an external account. So first of all, let's double check that we're on the main net. Okay, we're on the Ethereum main net here in the top left. And then what I'm going to do is use this QR code, and I'm going to scan this with my smartphone, and I'm going to send it a little bit of Ether. So now I have transferred Ether with my smartphone. If you want to use a browser, you could have also copied and pasted it. If I go back, you'll see that it has now refreshed. You will see that it now recognizes that I do have Ether, and I will be able to submit this form. So now we will see you in the next video.